Good morning. This is an exciting morning because we're going food shopping. And as you can see, we are in the supermarket. Danny's gone to get a trolley. He said, let's get the essentials. He needs a trolley. Explain that one to me. So it's a proper supermarket. This one is. I'll show you outside on the way out as well. It's about a 3-minute walk from Parque La Paz. Look at that. 65 euros. Lovely. All this, look at all this lovely fresh meat. My vegan friends, I apologise. Look at this. Lovely, proper done, unlike England. There we go, guys. As you can see, we got pizzas, we're making lasagnas, got all the essentials going in now, the peppers, the mushrooms, the oils, sauces, breakfast stuff. We've got some eggs as well for breakfast. Yeah, we're getting into this. Danny's in his element in here. Look at Danny, he's loving it. Danny's forgot about the air, all the aficionados as well. He will get really excited soon. It's a great store. All this extra stuff in here. All this. You don't need to go out all the time, people. If you've got the facilities, I would personally cook. You know you're out of England, don't you? You know you're out of England. Look at that. Then obviously you've got the more fresher stuff here. There we go. Look at that. You've got all the fresh fish here. Lovely. There we go, that's the shopping done. As you can see, we're sharing this pizza. We're going to buy a salad thing later for that. Yeah. Apparently Danny's going to be making lasagnas and spaghetti bolognese prep. Yeah. Let's see if he can do it. As you can see, 3 bags of shopping. We split the price between us. Only 45 euros for all this. So we figured out there's probably at least 2 breakfasts here, 3 dinners. 45 euros. You think how much it is to go out and eat? We'd probably save a shitload of money. Now, unfortunately, I've got to cook all this because Danny doesn't know how to cook.
That's a joke.
Danny know how to cook. Look, all this stuff. Alright, that's probably the most British thing we've got in all fairness. Baked beans. Everything else, lasagnas. We've got all the speciality stuff to put in the lasagnas and the spaghetti bolognese. All that stuff. We've got a watermelon, nice and fresh. And what we said with the pizza, I've got the pizza, but just down the road is shops as well. We're going to grab the salad things from the shops down the road, you know, the ones you get in the nice little pots. And then when we have our fat pizza, we're going to have salad on it as well. So in theory, we probably save 80 euros each here on just food, going out all the time. Ignore the hair, everyone. As you can see, I'm starting to cook now, all myself, doing all the cooking. There's no one. There we go, people. There's some breakfast from Danny boy for me. There we go. That would have cost us about 4 euros we'd say. So 2 or 3 of these and we would have put the money up. So this is a vlog how to save money, really. Danny's still doing these. Danny's like having 6 pieces of bread, 2 eggs, a whole can of baked beans. He is so greedy. There's Danny eating his breakfast. Loving it. I'm glad I cooked this for you. Danny, will you say thank you for me cooking this? Why are you giving me that look for? I clearly cooked it.
Let me eat my breakfast.
What?
I'm saying thank you to you for nothing.
For what not? I cooked it.
Yeah, of course you did.
I tell you what though, guys. This is our view when we can have our food for the next few days. Look at that. Literally, as I said, this was 45 euros to buy all this stuff. You're paying for these views to eat out. We're getting them because of the hotel. As I said, it's just over 23, around 22 something euros each this was. And that's probably 2 free breakfast easily there. So that's 30 euros for breakfast. A couple of dinners or lunches, whatever you want to be. We're talking we're saving around 80 euros each year going out. and you think 80 euros, you can spend 30, 40 euros in a day. So that's probably 2-3 days of just absolute saving money here. We're saving so much money. So we've just left Parque La Paz after me making me breakfast, and I did the washing up as well.
No, he didn't.
I did everything.
Did anything.
By the way, look how short he is. Just want to point that one out. He always says he's tall. He lives in the dream world. Anyway, we are, as you can see, walking down the Golden Mile. We're just having a nice chilled walk now. Taking it in. Danny's just seeing some of the sights he hasn't seen for a long time. It looks kind of busy right now, I've got to say. We obviously have Hard Rock, and that's it. Med Palace across the road there. I've stayed there.
It's all been done out?
Yep. It's very nice in the Med Palace. Tell you what, I'm going to quickly take Danny across the road into the Med Palace and show him what a posh hotel looks. I've took him there before, I don't need to. Took him with Bernadette over Christmas. Here we are, guys, we're now down the seaside. We've been in the shops. Danny wanted to buy everything, apparently. He's got no room in his suitcase because he packed for fucking 5 months. I don't know why he packed so much to come over it. There we go, look at that, isn't it beautiful? You can see the seas ain't too heavy today, not choppy at all really. Lovely. It's a chilled vibe. Danny's very quiet. Danny needs to learn how to vlog, because Danny wants to vlog apparently, so he's bought my DJI's my pocket free off me.
I've done, I will be vlogging.
Yeah, we'll see. He talks a lot of shit.
I'll be vlogging, mate.
Yeah. But the sea, it's so clear it is. Beautiful today, absolutely beautiful. Danny reckons, you see over there people, he reckons he can swim to that island. I'm talking shit. No. So Danny's decided to buy me a dessert and that. He doesn't know that yet, but he's buying it. But he got a cheesecake and a coffee. I got a smoothie, and I decided to be a child and have a banana split. The views. It's all about the views. Look at that. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? So Danny's just about to finish his food. He's going to take one more bite. I couldn't finish mine, but Danny has bought a scratch card to Tenerife. Let's see if he can win. Oh, suspense is killing me, not. Oh my god, even scratches it with OCD. Hurry up, son. The people at home want to know if you won.
You don't want to rush it, mate.
What? So the longer it takes, the longer you realise you're not winning. You didn't win nothing, did you? Again, what a waste of money.
Fuck me, nothing to me.
You won nothing. I can see it from here.
100,000.
Where'd you win him? Where'd you win him? Yeah, again, now he's relying on me tonight to win the Euro lottery.
Oh, I've got £4.
All right, guys, I'm getting ready to cook again. Getting sorted. What I want you to do is
you can see.
If you can put some oil in there for me, please.
See.
I'm teaching Danny how to do this.
Yeah, you can see he's getting ready to cook.
Yeah, Danny, put some oil in.
Yeah.
Well, how much do you think you should put in, mate? I'm going to watch you carefully. You might. Yep, that's very good there. You're all close. Maybe a bit more. A little bit more.
Shut up, you.
Just a little bit more. That's it. Very nice. This is the mince I bought. Big burger mince we're going to use.
Yeah, you couldn't be bothered to go out and get it. I had to get it myself.
Yeah. What do you mean you had to go and get it yourself? I was there.
Yeah,
you didn't even find it until I came on. So what we're going to do? We're going to cook some mince, all right? And then we're going to make something nice to eat.
Yeah, piss off.
Yeah, I'm going to make this. Danny's just going to stand around and pretend. No, Danny, the camera's off now. You don't have to pretend anymore. So what you can see so far, I've done the onions. I've just put more stuff in there. We've got all that lovely cooking here by me. If you could just cut the mushrooms up for me, Danny. Thank you very much. Thanks for cutting the mushrooms up. You've been a very good helper so far.
Yeah, go away.
Who's cooking this?
Yeah, you are, buddy.
Thank you. Hey, Danny's now taking over the cooking part of this. He's got the spaghetti ready. We weren't impressed by the spaghetti, but it's okay. Danny's just, I don't know what he's looking for half the time. You already had one out, didn't you? Did you only get one out? Oh, you're so unprofessional. Some bread as well. And we're going to have a little bit of the bubbly. A little bit of the bubbly. So Danny has made the food, as I finally admit it. What do you think, though, Danny? Because it's a different way of making it.
It's okay, it's nice.
Is it as good as you make it at home?
No.
Nah. Well, let me find out, Pete. Tell you afterwards, because I just want to eat it and not talk too much. But yeah, getting out here, the views are. Look at them views. Look at that. Why are you drunken like this? Hey guys, here we go. I wasn't going to eat tonight, but Danny's just gave me this chocolate cake. I didn't want it, but here it is. So I'm going to eat this. We're back. Yes, lovely. Let's cut it open for you a bit. Let's see what it's like. Let's have a look at this. Oh, look at that, gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. You don't get better vlogging than this. I know what you're thinking. God, he's got lazy with his vlogs. And you'd be right. We're back. We had a few drinks out tonight and now we're just chilling. I've got some football on. And we're going to chill. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, hype, and all of that jazz. And then obviously all the other socials at Epic Phill 1. I'll just put Epic Phill in and you'll find me. There's so much good content. Unlike this. Stay epic.